Hey guys, Ian from Tentworld in Toowoomba, here to talk to you about the RescueME PLB1. So this personal locating beacon only weighs 166 grams, it's nice and small. It's also got a flotation bag as well, which will come up on screen, lovely picture right there now. So with this unit here, it always has to be attached with the flotation bag while you're in Australia or New Zealand. It's all the law. So the unit is so light due to the fact it's got a lithium battery, which has roughly around a 24-hour life cycle in -20 conditions. It also has a waterproof rating of 15 meters at 20 degrees. So if you drop it off the coast of Queensland, or if you're off a boat inside of Queensland, you can press the button on this to activate it. It'll be completely fine up to 15 meters of depth. And then you've also got the test button down the bottom, so you can actually test it to check the battery life on it, because it does have a 7-year battery life. So with the actual unit itself, it can be carried on as carry-on luggage or actually checked in as well, because the low lithium count inside it means that it's no harm to anyone in a pressurized environment. With this unit, it can actually be attached onto a life jacket quite easily with all the necessary parts that are in here. The operating temperature for the unit itself is actually between -20 and 55 degrees Celsius. So no matter whether you're in Antarctica or out in the middle of the outback, it is going to work quite comfortably by just pressing that one simple button. So with the actual satellite system that this runs off, it will locate the closest authorities and notify them. So it doesn't matter where in the world you are, it'll find the closest and notify them. Usually it locates your area within 100 meters of range, which is quite good for the actual size of this unit, considering that it's working off a tiny little antenna like this. Okay, so there we go, all wound back in. Time to get back down to business and talk about what makes this different to almost everything on the market. So it's actually the satellite system that this works off. It is actually run by governments. There's no extra subscription fees, there's no extra hidden costs. What you pay for this today in Tentworld is what you pay for it for the lifetime of the product, as long as you're not replacing the battery or anything like that at the end of its lifespan. So if you want to talk more about this or about any of our other products, jump in store, give us a call, or jump on our website, and we'll be happy enough to discuss anything with you. Thank you.